A great day to you and welcome to our video demonstration of our professional kit being used for church application. So nakikita nyo ngayon, we've created this kind of video output para makita nyo how the church can use our equipment, our technologies for your advantage. No? So, and just to give you a view, ano bang kasama natin dito again in our professional kit? We have the camera, we have the light, we have the green screen. So nakikita nyo ako ngayon sa raw video ko, I'm being shoot only on a green background here, no? And yan ang isa sa mga applications natin. And siguro focus lang natin ulit, no? Ryan, no? Meron tayo ditong mini switcher that creates this, thank you, so nakikita nyo, that creates this too, no? Ito yung logo natin and my title, no? So yan yung critical things that are included with our professional kit to ensure that we have the proper branding of our church and ourselves as well as the speakers, no? So ganyan, no. This is just for purposes of demonstration. Nakikihiram lang po kami ng mga logo and church, no. Just to show you what we can do. So aside from having a professional background here, we can also, dahil may very professional switcher tayo, we can change it to a remote guest natin, no. So yan, no? So we have a remote guest. Si Kat right now. So, Kat, kaway ka lang sandali. Yan. Yes. A great day to you as well. No? So, mamaya magsasalita si Kat, pero hold on ka muna dyan. Let me explain. So, right now, you can see her also being recorded using our starter kit, no? Price at 19,995 to be able to do remote kumbaga guesting for us, no. So hindi siya kailangan nandito sa the same place with me. She can be on her sa bahay nila, no, and just having that professional background with her, no. So makikita nyo siya ng ganyan, no. And we can do this also using either, if you have a good network connection, you use it. If you don't have any good bandwidth or on your remote location, you can use our optional live view solo for live streaming, for remote live streaming, no. So please contact us if you would require that from us, no. So well, without further ado, no, so let me give the floor to Kat, no, muna to talk about the goodness of God, no. So and pakita nyo ano ba yung capabilities natin. So, Kat, go ahead.
Hi everyone! Hi Sir Al! Thank you again for inviting me here. By the way, my name is Kathleen and I'm here to encourage you about the faithfulness and the goodness of our Lord Jesus Christ, even in this time of pandemic. And I think if there's only one thing that we could magnify in this season, it's not the pain, it's not the sickness, it's not the failure that we have done, it's not the struggles that we all go through, but we should magnify the goodness of our Lord. That even though I think we don't deserve His love because of our lapses, of our failures, He is still there for us. He is there to protect us. He is there to provide for us. He is there even at your darkest moment. And amazingly, He still loves you the same. And greatly, He is there when no one else was. I love how David describes the Psalm 23. The Lord is our shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pasture. He refreshes my souls. He guides me along the right paths for His name's sake. And the verse 4, even though you walk through the darkest valley of your life, you will fear no evil because God is with you. I don't know what you're going through right now, but you can trust the goodness and the grace of God in your life, that even though you feel like you are alone in this battle, you are not alone because God is with you, because He loves you and He is willing to fight for you. And that's it. Thank you, Sir Al.
So, yan. Thank you very much, Kat, again, for the very inspirational words, no, that you have shared with us, no. So, JC, pasok ako ulit doon, and please, ako lang muna, no. So this is just a demonstration. So please, yan, okay, no. So these are the things that we can do for you, no, for church application. And people right now, we still need to hear the good news, no? We need to hear the gospel. We need to hear inspirational words that can really lift us during this time of pandemic. And these are the things that we can help you with to be relevant, no, for your congregation, for your followers, no? So if you feel you need something like this to be able to really share what needs to be shared for everyone, to lift their soul, to lift their hearts, please avail of our professional kit with a price of 109,995. You can order it below, and empower yourself. Give hope. Give inspiration to those like me who needs it very well during this time of pandemic, and be relevant to your congregation. Thank you very much and have a great day.